Okay, we wrapped it up. Got the photo eye on there. We reviewed this with the customer, let them know what other issues that need to be addressed. We had to dig out some of the dirt back here in order to keep it to where it didn't add any resistance to the gate operator. We set the anti-tail setting on so that way if somebody comes over the outside reverse loop, then the gate will just stop until it either gets a command or until they back off of the loop, as opposed to open up. So it's a nice feature that they put on there from the factory. We adjusted the drop chain bullet so it was not hitting the idler wheel, and then we put a couple of straps on there, and then we put an outside reverse loop in, and in another video you can see what we did with that. And we tested it. It's greater than 1 gig ohm, so it's exactly what it should test brand new. This one's still at 150 meg ohm, or greater than 150 meg ohm, so it's okay. I think that was about it. So we'll address some of the openings and some of the gaps and go from there.